All right, so this is a Buddy's loan worksheet, and I'm going to clean this up at the end, but basically I have to put down a couple of basic facts. I have my initial loan amount. This is what you need to know. Initial loan amount, okay? And that's $10,000. I need my rate per year. Nice spelling on that. Dang, man. And that's going to be 10%, okay? Now, you also need, if you're going to make a monthly payment, let's make this complicated for fun of it. The rate per month. The rate per month is the rate per year divided by 12. It's not actually, there's some kind of fancier math you can do on that, but we're going to just call it that, okay? Oop. First of all, I want that black. I want that as a percent. That's actually blue. That's actually blue. That's my thing. Blue and black. Okay. And then the payments. Okay. We're going to do a 60-month loan. Okay. All right. So the way you do this, there's the month number. Here's the total payment, monthly payment, the principal paid, and the interest. And then you need the ending principal. Okay? We need to know what we have at the end of the month after you've made that loan payment. All right. Now, I know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I get down to 60. And the beauty of spreadsheets, I don't actually have to type all this stuff. Oh, look, I almost did it exactly. There we go. Whoop, one more. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. Okay, there we go. All right. Now, one thing I need here is I need the exact monthly payment, and you do that in Google Spreadsheets. And each Excel has a slightly different model, but it's about the same. Second equals payment, and I do rate per month, comma, payments, comma, initial amount. All right, and there we go. And that is my payment per month on that loan. Okay. Now, what I would want to do is I want to make each of these a constant, and the reason is because I'm going to copy this all the way down. You just double click on that guy, it goes all the way down. There we go. Now, to calculate the principal, okay, the principal, interestingly enough, is a function, okay, of the monthly payment minus the interest amount of it. And now you can figure out the interest pretty easily. The interest is, you can find it by doing iPayment, okay? Google Spreadsheets iPayment, that's going to give you the interest payment. You do iPayment, and you use the interest rate, the monthly interest rate, okay? And then you do the payment number, like that. And then you do the number of months, like that, and then you do the initial amount, like that. And that's going to give us the payment, the interest payment for that month, for the first payment. And the principal is the total payment minus the interest, okay? And the ending principal is the starting principal in this case minus whatever principal we paid, okay? So that's our basic loan. Now, if I want to drag and drop this guy, okay, I can do that, okay? But if I want to drag and drop this guy, that's going to be difficult because these are all going to change. Look how many there are. So the total amount is a constant. We can F4 that guy. The payments are a constant. We can F4 that guy. The interest rate was the first one. We can F4 that guy. But the very first, this guy, the month, okay, I don't want that one to stay constant. I want that one to change. But I want it to change based on just the row, okay? Though in fact the column won't change. So I'm going to leave that guy, okay? Now, if I double click on this, it'll copy it all the way down. Whoop. There we go. And you can see each month the interest goes down, which makes sense because the principal's declining, okay? This one I screwed up. So it's the start minus the principal paid, but the next one is that one minus the principal paid. And this I'll copy. Whoop. Equals the start oh, I see that's a negative, so I'm going to do plus the principal paid. And we just double click on that. And I screwed this up because this is actually the start plus the principal paid. There we go. And voila, last month the loan's paid off. I have all of the interest payments, I have all the principal payments for every single month of this loan. Now, so in year one, I can say the following. I'm actually going to add some rows here. Enter 3 above. I've got my principal balance, principal paid, interest paid. Okay. So, I could actually do this as start balance, end balance. Okay. My start balance is 10,000. My principal paid is 12 months equals sum, and I just literally going to do 12 months. My interest paid is 12 months. And I'm just going to finish this off. I can't drag and drop these guys because I got to manually do this. And this is my start balance plus my principal paid, or minus my principal paid. Okay, and there we go. And I'm gonna fix these numbers and get back to you in 2 seconds. I'll just speed this part of the video up. Right. All right, so there's my interest expense. There it is. And there's my principal payments, okay? So I can go back to my income statement, and I've got an interest expense. Interest expense equals, and I go all the way over to my loan, and there's my interest expense. And I'm actually going to make that positive because I want everything consistent. There we go. Change my net income equals EBITDA minus this minus that, and there we go. There's my interest expense. I can delete that. And now my income statement looks pretty darn good. Okay, I got my net income, I got my EBITDA, I got everything. All right, my cash flow statement looks pretty good. Oh, we got repaying Buddy's weed loan, so we can actually put the principal payments here. Whoop. We know that we made a principal payment here, so equals, whoops, principal payment is right there. We made some principal payments. Take that across. There we go. Brought in 10,000, but we paid off 1,600 of it, right? Okay, we're getting there. What else do we have?